Imagine unlocking your BMW with just a tap of your iPhone, no more fumbling for your keys. Today, we're showing you exactly how to add your BMW digital key to Apple Wallet, making your life simpler and more connected. But first, let's check compatibility. This feature works with most newer BMW models produced after July 2020 and have comfort access supported Apple devices include iPhone XS and newer, as well as Apple Watch Series 5 and newer. Make sure your car's software is up to date and you have the BMW Connected App installed. Open the BMW Connected App on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged in with the same BMW ID linked to your car. Navigate to the digital key section, usually found under Vehicle or Digital Services. Select Set up Digital Key and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will guide you through a security verification process, usually involving your BMW ID, password, and potentially a security code sent to your registered email or phone number. Now, hold your iPhone near the NFC reader in your BMW. It's usually located on the driver's side door handle or on the dashboard, depending on your model. Keep it there until the app confirms the key has been successfully added to your Apple Wallet. Open your Apple Wallet app. You should now see your BMW digital key listed alongside your credit cards and other passes. You can customize the key's appearance and name within the Wallet app. To use your digital key, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the same NFC reader on your BMW. No need to wake or unlock your device. It works automatically. You can also start the engine by placing your device on the wireless charging pad inside the car, and that's it. You've successfully added your BMW key to Apple Wallet. Enjoy the convenience.